name. That was a big something there. This was on the back, of course. I'm just gonna paint the stripe on here now in a second.
Well, only a few episodes to go before we're caught up to real time. Spoiler alert, yesterday I actually painted the water line on the boat. And today we're going to take off the plastic cover for good. So things are coming along pretty well. So keep following along and we'll soon be in the water. Black water line. I'll give her another coat here in a couple hours. Yep. Didn't like the green. I wanted red, but I got voted out by Holly. She wanted black, so we might do this. We might do this groove here black as well. I don't know. There might be a bit of foam around, but might do that after. We'll see. We'll see how it goes. So now we'll get this on it. Oh, I gotta run there, see that? Fix that. I wanna run there like that. That looks ugly. Good boat. There we go. Still a little cool here yet, eh? Still a little bit cool. I think we're okay. I know. Gonna put a second coat on it. But yeah, I think we're okay when it comes to runs. Yep. Yeah, still a little cool in the shade, so that's. I got that stuff put on there now. I just haven't got the sealant around the edges yet. And this is the locker door on the back, so it all looks pretty good. I had to join that too. You can see might have to put a little bit of silicone or sealant in here because it wasn't wide enough on both sides, so we'll see how well I can do that. And so yeah, so I was waiting for it to get warmer, and then when I open up the tube of sealant, I'll do a bunch of stuff at once. So I just had the surveyor here, and not for my land, but for my boat. And yeah, I guess that's what they're called, a surveyor instead of an inspector, whatever. Don't know where that. I'm sure there's a story behind that name. So yeah, he said everything looks pretty good, but yeah, they put it all on paper, I guess. So anyways, you can hear the click, click, click. Probably that's the. I got the heater going. The diesel heater going in there just to break the chill, because it's still pretty cool out. It's like 8 degrees and rain and damp, so rain has stopped now at least. So now I'm inside doing some electrical with the yeah, with the power supply system, I guess. So we're gonna have shore power and lithium batteries. So here we are again this morning, another morning working at the boat here. So we got the cabin top all done. Well, not all done, but we got the flooring on it. Just now, not the greatest job done on this ceiling here, but I think I got to put another layer on it. It's a bit of a big gap to fill, so I'm gonna do that later. But for now, it'll keep water out and hopefully keep this stuck down to the top. So anyhow, so I'm gonna put on this one side first, then I can put the cabin top in, then I can put on the other side. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. It's really warm underneath this plastic, so I want to get this done and get out of here because I'm melting. Yeah, so anyway, that's where we're at now. Well, there we have it. Here's the old or the new cabin top here. So it's this was time sensitive. I get the 5200 on both sides of the strip, and then get the screws in, and yeah. Anyway, I didn't have time to fool around there, so I just got to put the plugs in the holes now. So that's, you know, a little bit of glue, put the plug in, let it dry, then cut it off, sand it, and then do it over again with oil. So we're using teak oil because yeah, it's better, it's best. It's varnish peels off and stuff, so we use teak oil. It gets a little bit faded, then we'll sand it and just oil it again, just keep oiling it. So that's what we're going to try to do. That seems to be the best. So we'll see how this lasts. Hopefully I'm going to put some more on here to fill this gap into the water hanging up in here, so it's got to be down the road. So anyhow, that's that. So now I'm going to put on these whatever you call them, that holds the door in, and then once I get the door that done, she's pretty waterproof, and then this top will be coming off, so can't wait for that. So we got an extra screw in this one. This one was nothing, it was just glued on. So like I said, I think this was sawed out at some point for something, I don't know what. Again, I'm gonna make a new door here eventually, but it won't be this year. And then I'll probably take time and correct this, make this new as well. It won't be out of teak, of course. I don't have access to that, but it'll be something else that I can stain or oil or something. Anyhow, like this bottom wood here has got some white pecks into it. I don't know if it's salt or paint or what it is, but it's different than these top pieces. I don't know why. Anyhow, that's all looking good there. Tracking the rails here is looking okay. So, yep. So I don't know if I should put the grab handles on yet or not. Oh, the plastic is almost off. Won't take much to get this off of here. Well, we'll see. Might be today, might be another day. We're supposed to get some rain here in a couple days, so I'll wait till after that. No sense pulling off until I'm ready to do some work up here. So a lot of work left to do, and if everything goes well today, I'm going to get some paint on. So we just went through a couple of days of cold weather. We got like 4 days of sunshine here in a row, it looks like. So it's still cool at night, but I'm taking my chances. So now we got to get the top side white and the top of the cabin done, and the sideboards oiled. Holly is working on the sides of the cockpit. So we got those repaired best we can, and she's got one done and oiled, so we got to get the other one done. So thanks for tuning in, and thanks for following along if you've made it to this point. Lots more exciting things to come. We're going to get this thing in the water, and we're going to do some sailing hopefully. So if you haven't subscribed, please do so, and share, like anybody that you think might like this kind of content. And we're always something different going on. We're into the sailing, and it could be you could see some of my other videos on this channel, sawing lumber, cutting trees, outdoor stuff, renovations, a little bit of everything.